Hey, I'm a 3D artist and today we continue with the Ion 2.0 collection. Last time I created the Frenzy and Spectre, so if you haven't seen them, check them out after the video. But today I created the Ion Vandal, cause many of you wanted to see it. So if you would like to see your ideas made, write a comment below. Now, let's start.
Thyros.exe.
I began with creating a quick reference in Photoshop. It's really bad, but I promise, it's enough for me. After I created a reference, I opened my 3D software of choice, Blender. I also opened PureRef. It's a really handy tool to sort my reference images, and it always sits on top of every window, so it's really helpful when you don't have a second monitor. Imagine not having a second monitor. I started in Blender with this. I shaped it with the subdivision surface workflow. With that I get these great curved shapes, because it interpolates between all the points and smooths everything out. So I only have to model this, and then with the modifiers it looks like this. Then I copied the handle from the Ion Spectre and added a magazine. Here I focused on the gun barrel and combined these two parts. Next I focused on the magazine, where I made everything smoother with subdivisions and added the glowing bullets. It would be really cool if the bullets would empty while shooting. After that I added the defining part of the Ion skins, the glowing energy ball. I really love it. I copied the viewfinder from the Spectre and then focused on the gun stock. After I finished the lower part of the gun stock, I fixated on the upper part. There I added the spinny thingy. I created it with the array modifier and then wrapped it around so it's circular. Then I turned it so it had this weird angle. I added the final touches and it's done. I started to animate and finally render it where my computer almost died. And that's not because I rendered 4 scenes at once, so I could render it overnight. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed it so far, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe the Reaver 2.0 collection will start next week. Now, enjoy the animation.